Hey guys, it's me JSHDIY. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of ways to make slime with ingredients that you can find in your house, such as toilet paper, water, and also how to make slime out of a plastic bag. This week's notification squad shoutouts go to Crystal Moon Plays, Nadrima Glenn, Joyce Chen, and Kristen Lonnie. As you guys know, last week I did an iPhone 11 giveaway, and the winner for that is up on the screen. I've already gotten their address, and I've already sent them their phone. Don't be sad if you didn't win last week's giveaway, because if you guys all give this video a like and watch this video till the very end without skipping, I will do a huge iPhone 11 giveaway for you guys next week. The first no glue slime recipe I'm going to be showing you guys how to make is no glue water slime. Starting off, you're going to need a clear shampoo. You can use a white shampoo if you want to try to apply the white to clear method that I showed in my last video, but what you're going to need to do is just put some shampoo in any container. I'm using a bottle so that we can shake it, which will be a step I show you guys later. Now you're going to be needing some water. Of course, you can use regular tap water. I always just use bottled water in videos so that you guys know it's actual water. Want to make a 70% water to 30% shampoo ratio. Then just give everything a nice thorough stir. The next step we're going to do is prepare the activator, and I will show you guys how to do that now. So what you're going to need is some baking soda and salt. I will put the ratio on the screen. Basically, it's just a 45% salt to a 55% baking soda mixture. Now that we are done mixing all of the ingredients together, I'm going to place our bottle in direct sunlight. The heat from the sunlight is actually going to help with the chemical reaction between the shampoo and the baking soda. Okay guys, believe it or not, it has now been, I think, 3 or 4 hours. I actually went and got my haircut and then did a couple of other things, but we're going to go take this inside so that we can check out how the slime turned out. Okay guys, so here is how the end result turns out. I actually had to experiment with this recipe probably 15 plus times in order to get the formula correct, but I think this is the best. If you guys have any tips in order to make it more slime-like than I have it at this point, then make sure to leave those in the comments below, because I'd be super interested into hearing what you guys have to offer for this recipe. But yeah, pretty much this slime did work very well. It's still a little more residuey than I'd like it to be, but if you guys have any tips, of course, as I said before, just leave those in the comments below so I can keep tweaking this. For this next DIY no glue slime, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime out of a plastic bag. So I'm going to be using a heat sealable plastic bag to do this. Starting off, pour some hot water onto your plastic bag. Have your parents help you do this if you're under 18, because it is a little bit dangerous. Then just stir the mixture until the plastic bag has started to melt and dissolve into the water. You will know when you're ready to proceed to the next step in this recipe once you see small, clear surface bubbles start forming in your mixture. Now we're going to turn the Ziploc into slime by adding a little bit of borax activator. I've left my borax activator that I use for this up on the screen, or you can use whatever activator recipe you normally use. Once you've stirred in a little bit of your activator, you're going to notice that the slime will solidify. But what we're going to do is we're just going to scoop it out. Once you're happy with the texture of your slime, you can put it on a small piece of plastic. I'm actually using a Ziploc bag, and you can let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that it can dry out a little bit and be a little less sticky so that we can play with it. When you mix and play with your slime, it will become a lot less stringy, but you will start to get some air bubbles. So what you can do is place it in an airtight container for a day or two, and it will start to become more crystal clear again, but this time it will be a lot more slime-like. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make icy slime without fake snow or glue. Starting off, you're going to need some shampoo, and you want to just put however much you want to turn into slime in a bowl, and then mix it until you get some air bubbles. And for now, we're just going to pop that into the refrigerator. So for the fake snow aspect of our icy slime, we are going to be using toilet paper. So what you need to do is just take a piece of toilet paper, or four if you're making a bigger batch, and just put some water on it and let it absorb. And then tear the toilet paper up until it is in as small of pieces as you can get it to be. Now take the shampoo out of your refrigerator, and then you want to add a little bit of table salt into it. Now you have to put this into the freezer for 20 minutes. Get it. For the last slime of the video, I'm going to be seeing if I can make slime out of this gel eye mask that I found at Urban Outfitters. I just thought it looked cool, so let's see if we can cut it open and try to make slime out of it. Okay, I'm going to put this in the freezer for a little bit until it can maybe turn into slime, and we'll see if it will actually work. Gel actually started to maybe freeze, but it didn't freeze all the way, so it was kind of like a half slime. I think that there was actually alcohol in the gel, so that's why it didn't fully freeze. But it made this kind of slime-like consistency, but it definitely did not turn into slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a great time hanging out with you guys, and if you did too and you're new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed. I love you guys so much, and go click on one of the videos on the screen so I can see you guys over there. Okay, see you guys over there. Bye, guys.